Today's video is regarding Canon pixma TR4527 printer, how to reset your printer. Now the first step we need to do is to switch on the printer and wait for the display screen to come up. The second step is to go to the setting, so press the setting button and you will see it says setup mode, and in the setup mode, so we are looking for device setting, and once you see that, press OK. Reset setting, so reset setting is the last setting in the option, and we press OK. You will see now it will ask few options again, like web service setup, and in reset setting we see web service setup. So if we press OK, it will ask to reset, so we can reset that. And if we want to reset a LAN setting, we press OK in that and we can reset the LAN setting. And if we want to erase the telephone number data, we can press OK and reset here. And if we want to do setting data, complete data, so press OK and then we press yes, and it will say the initializing the setting, and within few seconds it will be done. Thanks for watching.